Hello everyone. In this section we will learn about the canvas or work area of an image. Consider a painter painting an image on a canvas. There is limited space and dimension to work on canvas. Once the painter finishes painting or during painting on the canvas size cannot be increased. But here in Photoshop you can increase the canvas size to increase the work area of the file. You go to the image menu and click on canvas size. Here you can increase or decrease the work area of your image. Unlike the image size option, this option will not enlarge, reduce the image, but instead it will add or remove the pixels to the file dimension. You can define a new size of your image depending upon your need. We have again several units in percent, pixel, inches, centimeters and others. If you are working on an image for print, you can set the new size in inches or centimeters. Otherwise, the pixel unit is there to decide the new dimension of your image. You can enter the new size you want in the width or height or both. If you want to add pixels to the left and right only, then you need not to change the number in height. Or if you want to add pixels to the top and bottom, then you should keep the width as it is. But if you want to add pixels to surrounding the image, you can change the number in the width as well as height both. For example, if you have an image of 300 pixels in width and 200 pixels in height, and you want to add 150 pixels to the width and 75 pixels to the height, then you should enter 300 plus 150, that equals to 450 pixels in the width, and 200 plus 75, which is 275 in the height field. Here you can see the original image dimensions are the same, but it has additionally inserted the pixels as per the new size you have specified. If you know the exact work area you want, then you can directly change the number in width and height. But if you just want how many pixels additionally you want in your image, then we have an option of relative. The small checkbox of relative will ask you to add the pixels additionally. You just have to enter the additional numbers of pixels, inches, centimeters you want to add or remove to your canvas. For example, if you want to add an additional 50 pixels surrounding your image to create a border, just click on relative and enter 100 pixels in width and height both. It will add 50 pixels to the left and right and 50 pixels to the top and bottom of the image. So ultimately your new image dimensions would be 400 pixels in width and 300 pixels in height. Similarly, if I again enter a negative number, that is 100 in width and height, it will reduce the 50 pixels from left, right, top and bottom. So the new dimension of your image is again 300 pixels in width and 200 pixels in height. While changing the canvas area, you can select the anchor to restrict the area from changing. For example, if I want more pixels in the bottom right corner, I will select the anchor point at the top left corner, so that whatever change happens, it will not affect the top left corner and affect at the opposite direction of the selected anchor. Let me again reduce the canvas area to its original. The bottommost option is what color you want on the new canvas. If you are increasing, you can select the canvas color from options given, or also you can select the color of your choice. Let's talk about few relative questions. What is the difference between canvas size and image size? So the canvas size will increase or decrease the work area or pixels in the image, whereas image size will resize the whole image.